Let us see some of the examples related to the heating effect of electric current. What the example? An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate. Which means that the device they have used is electric iron which consumes energy 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate. At the maximum rate it consumes energy 840 watt and 360 watt when the heating is at the minimum. मतलब कि जब वो मैक्सिमम रेट पर होगा तो कितना कंज्यूम करेगा एनर्जी 840 एंड जब वो मिनिमम होगा तो कितना एनर्जी कंज्यूम करेगा 360. The voltage is 220 volt. Now how much amount of the voltage is given? 220 volt. What are the current and the resistance in each case? Clear? What we wanted to calculate? We wanted to calculate the current as well as resistance when they are heating at maximum, and we wanted to calculate the current and resistance when they are heating at the minimum. This is what the very simple thing. Now to do this, what are the things has to be followed? This is what I just wanted to tell. Clear? So then when it is heating at the maximum, it is how much? 840 watt, and when it heats at the 360, which is heating at the minimum, and potential difference is given 220. We wanted to calculate the current and resistance. So first of all, we'll write it down the given. What is given? That is first one, heating at maximum, and the second one, heating at minimum. Correct? So when heating at maximum, what is given? Power is given. Let us write it down. No? V is given. That V is equals to how much? 220 volt. And power is equals to how much? 840 watt. Ayana? Yes. Similarly here, V is same. That is 220 volt. And P is equals to what? 360 watt. Clear? What we wanted to calculate? I and what? R. Similarly, I and what? R. How do we calculate? We have seen the formula. To calculate R, we want I. Similarly, to calculate R, we want I. But what is the relation between the PV and I? Just now we have seen that P is equals to what? VI. And I is equals to what? P by V. How much is the P? 840. How much is the V? 220. 0, 0 will get cancelled. That is what? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are like that. So what is the answer now? 42 by 11 ampere. Similarly, R is equals to what? V by I. Now what is the V? V is equals to what? 220. And what is the I? That is 42 into what? 11. Clear? So again, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. This is what? 2, 1. That is 0. So how much now this is? 11 into 110. That is 1210 divided by 21. This is what? Ohm. Now further calculations you can do it. Clear? Similarly to this side, to calculate I, that is what? P by V. What is P? 360 divided by 220. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 1, 1. 1 and 8, that is what? 18 by 11 ampere. Clear? 18 by 11 ampere. So then we have the value of current. How to calculate the resistance? R is equals to what? V by I. What is the V, sir? That is 220. What is the I? 18 into what? 11. Clear? Similarly, 9, 1, 1. So how much is the answer? 1210 divided by what? 9. Clear? So therefore, R is equals to what? 1210 divided by 9 ohm. This is what the ampere. So this is what exactly we can do this example. ये further calculation आप इसमें कर सकते हो जो भी होगा ये decimal में आएगा. Clear? This is what exactly it is. This is very important type of questions. Very, very important. Clear? It's very good. Take it. Next. 100 joule of heat are produced. Remember that heat is always measured because heat is an energy and energy is always measured in joule. 100 joule of heat are produced each second. मतलब time is given how much? 1 second, and resistance is given how much? 4 ohm. What they are asking? Calculate the potential difference across the resistor. To calculate the potential difference, we want current. How do we calculate the current? Using the Joule heating effect. क्या बात है? What is the Joule heating effect? according to joules. First of all, we'll write it down given. Na? Why we are doing hurry? That is given. What is given here? H is given how much? 100 joule. Next, what is given? R is 4 ohm. Time is 1 second. How do I understand the time is 1 second? Because they are mentioning each second is what? 1 second. So then, what we have to calculate? V is equals to what? How much? To calculate V, what we want I, and that I can be calculated using this. So according to Joule's heating effect, H is equals to what? I square RT. Now, write it down this formula in terms of I square. I square is equals to H divided by RT. How much is the H? 100. How much is the R? R 4. And time is what? 1. 425 is 100. So what is the answer? 25 ampere square. But this is I square. So then I is equals to what? Root 25. और ये root 25 कितना होगा? Sir 5 होगा. So I is equals to what? 5 ampere. We have a I. Can we calculate V? Yes. How? Therefore, V is equals to IR. R is equals to what? Sorry. We wanted to calculate V itself. So V is equals to I 5. R is how much? 4. So then what is the potential difference? 20 volt. This is what the potential difference. This is the way to calculate the answers. Is it clear?